Hi, this poster is about Nighres, a Python toolbox built for high-resolution neuroimaging. With 7 Tesla and above, we often have anatomical images with very high resolution and many voxels. And we now have more routinely quantitative MRI contrast, which can be a little tricky for classical software designed for 1.5 and 3D T1 weighted imaging data, for instance. With Nighres, we are hoping to address some of these problems by providing very optimized algorithms that can scale well with resolution and that are provided in a nice Python environment that people can then interface with other tools. Nighres is open source on GitHub and with documentations on ReaderDocs, and you can run it within a Docker platform or using Dask for parallel computations, for instance. More importantly, in terms of algorithms, Nighres covers a large number of algorithms and techniques needed for high-resolution neuroanatomic MRI, starting with low-level things such as quantitative MRI reconstructions, denoising, phase estimation, to more and more advanced things such as skull stripping, brain segmentation, subcortical parcellation, vascular reconstruction, cortical and laminar estimation, both in the cerebrum and the cerebellum, white matter tract labeling, or surface-based registration. We also have a lot of little tools for instance, topology corrections or tissue estimations that have been also included in the toolbox. You can grab it at one of those links, including some example pipelines that run through actual data that we've been using. And I hope you find it interesting for your own research. Thank you.